The Honest Truth, Chapter 9.5. Dark day, spent alone, pacing, crying, thinking hard. Somewhere a lost friend. She watched the news on the TV, only a quick mention of Mark, a little update before the weather, the phone number to call. She had it memorized. The bigger news now was the storm, coming down from the north. Freezing temperatures, high winds, lots of precipitation. A winter storm in late spring, they said. Unusual, severe, dangerous. Authorities are suggesting that people stay off the roads and indoors, the announcer said. Only travel if you need to. There was a map of the state showing the clouds moving and the snow falling. Snow only in the mountains, they said. That was supposed to be the good news. She looked at Mount Rainier on the map, lost in white. "Oh, Mark," she whispered to the screen. She wondered if his parents were watching. She hoped not. They didn't know where he was, but no matter where they thought he might be, having your kid lost in a storm must feel worse. "It's getting ugly out there, folks," the weatherman continued, "but it's going to get a lot worse." Jess was struck by a sudden, terrible thought. What if he wanted her to tell? What if he needed her to tell? What if he was huddled somewhere, shivering and terrified, wondering why she hadn't called for help? What if she was supposed to rescue him? Shivering, searching, doubts and fears like clouds and snow, lost inside a storm.